Nung pinanganak ko si Mira, doon lang nagkaroon ng direction yung buhay ko. Alam ko na sobrang maraming hirap, struggles, pero alam ko na kaya namin dalawa.
Stars and my keys in the car, let it roll. I was all in my feels, now I'm all in my heels, let them know, 'cause I'm ready to go. I just came to have a good time, have a good time. Taste that sunshine, I want the sugar sweet life, sugar sweet life.
Happy birthday, Ate Miray! I wish sana makapagtapos ka ng school mo. At gusto ko lang habang may nagpapaaral sa'yo, mag-aral kang mabuti. Yun lang ang pinaka-goal ko para sa sa future mo.
Happy birthday, Miray! Ang wish ko lang, more birthdays to come and magtapos sa pag-aaral. Huwag mo nang boyfriend hanggat hindi ka patapos sa pag-aaral para sa future mo, okay?
Happy birthday, Miray. I hope you have a bright and happy future. I wish you all the best and God bless. Always stay pretty like
I just came to have a good time, have a good time.
Happy 18th birthday, Mira. May this 18th year of your life be a stepping stone toward greater achievements. May all your wishes, dreams come true, and I'm always here for you. Love you always.
Happy birthday, Mira. You know naman I'm always here for you. Kahit nagkakasawa na tayo makita ang isa't isa, ay please, pagtiisa mo pa hanggang college pa to.
Have a good time.
I wish for you to stay happy and have the courage to pursue and whatever you want to do. And I'll be rooting for you. Happy birthday!
Happy 18th birthday, Mira. I'm wishing you all the best and happiness in your life. Hoping na yung friendship natin ay magtuloy-tuloy lang. May you reach your dreams and goals in life. I wish you lots of love, passion, and luck. Especially sa college journey mo.
'Cause I'm ready to go.
Hindi ako prepared na dumating siya, pero yun ang pinakamalaking blessing na nangyari sa akin. I know marami ka pang pagsubok na mararanasan sa lahat-lahat. And alam ko strong ka, kaya mo yan. Happy birthday!
Queen, baby.
Happy birthday sa baliw naming kaibigan. Super thankful ako sa friendship natin na kahit hindi na tayo masyado nagkakasama, hindi na putol at hindi nagbago yung bond natin. Good luck sa college life mo at sana matupad mo lahat ng dreams mo. Maging successful ka at mahanap mo yung taong magmamahal sa'yo talaga ng totoo at hindi ka lolokohin.
Mahal na mahal ka ni Mami. Happy birthday. Hindi man tayo showy sa dalawa, pero alam ko na love natin ang isa't isa.
Taste that sunshine. I want the sugar sweet life, sugar